Hello and welcome. This video we are going to be attacking this 70mm disc lock Citadel CD70, made in Germany. Citadel to me means strength, impregnability. Anyways, we'll see. This lock I don't have a key for. This was actually stuck to a chain that was wrapped around my nephew's fence when he moved home a few years ago. Rather than him cutting the chain, I asked him if I could pick the lock, and I picked it. Brought it home, my lock. It's taken probably 3 years to get it cleaned. I believe there's only 4 pins in it, but literally there was only 1 pin that worked, and when you took that pin into the correct position, the lock gave up and it opened. Now finally, all of the pins work, which is a good thing. So, stick a little bit of tension in there. Get on with it, and I'm just gonna go in with, not that one, that's the really small hybrid. I'm going in with the medium hybrid. So let's have a look, see what we can do. Pick in, a little bit of tension. Pin 4. That's pin 2. Before I go any further, the core on this lock, by the time I get to setting the last pin, it'll be somewhere around here. It's worn out. It's like me, it's old. Right, I've lost where I was up to there. No, that's pin 4. Come on, baby. No, maybe not. We've got a little click there. Like I said, because the core turns so much, some of these pins sometimes can be a right pain in the backside to get in. So I believe I'm up onto pin 1 here. Yeah, I can feel that. That's definitely pin 1 that wants to go. Okay, maybe not. There's something stuck somewhere, I believe. I don't know. Right, there we go. That's that one in. That's pin 1, and that's the lock opened. So, not a great deal of picking skill required, but still, nonetheless, it has to be opened. It doesn't open itself. So there we go. That's the Citadel CD70 70mm disc lock. And thank you very much for watching. Everybody, please take extra care with this coronavirus that's about. People are dropping like flies, so we can only do what we can do to protect ourselves, and if we do that, we've done what we can. So there you go, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. Everybody, I say, there's probably about 2 people who are going to see this. Anyways, them 2 people, take care of yourself, and I shall see you the next time. Thank you very much. Bye.